Finally, I have just got this. It's a CMOS battery for one of my laptops. Since I got this laptop, I had a problem with the time and date. If the main battery of the laptop will be discharged, the laptop will reset its time and date to a date from 1960 or something like that. I'm using this laptop for the Xprog interface to do FRM repairs and much more, and also for different things. Since I got this laptop, I had a problem with the time and date. I didn't know at the moment, and the Xprog won't work if you don't have the correct time and date on your Windows. Don't ask me how I know that, but that took me, I think, at least 3 hours to find out why my Xprog didn't want to read an FRM, and I had a bunch of communication errors. I didn't know that is from the time and date. That's why for the moment I have a sticker here with a random date to remember me every time when I will open this laptop to check the date. At this moment the date is correct, but if the main battery of the laptop will go down for a couple of days, when I will start the laptop, I will have an early date here, 90, 60, something, I don't know exactly, but won't be the current date. So now I need to turn off this laptop to replace the CMOS battery, and from what I have seen online, the CMOS battery, it's deep inside of this laptop and I will need to remove a ton of parts. I like the way that they package this battery, looking like a valuable Pokemon card. Nice. First thing, I need to shut down this laptop. And I need to remove the main battery. With a Phillips head screwdriver, I'll remove this cover from here. Behind this cover is the storage unit, memory RAM. Like so. So this is the hard drive. And remove a couple of screws. This is one of my old type of laptop that it's, I don't know if you've seen it, it's a touch screen and can be transformed in a tablet. I have used this type of laptop for a couple of years as my primary diagnostic equipment. So that's why I'm still using it. In case you are wondering what model of laptop is this one, it's an HP 2760p. This one is an i5, but I think you can find i7s. I love this type of HPs because this is the business class. The case is aluminum, and being a business class, it's a, I know, it's a feeling, and it's a higher quality than the normal ones. So next step, I need to remove the screws for the keyboard, and I have 2 screws here because I need to remove the front part of this base. I think those are enough for the keyboard. I need to remove these screws from inside here, and they are T8 or flat. Okay, and these ones from here, I have these beautiful covers that I want to keep, I don't want to destroy. Beautiful. T8. Yeah. Okay, now to remove the keyboard, I have a couple of tabs on top here, and again I will switch back to flat head. Nice. I have to be careful because I have some ribbon cables. Oh, there's some dust here. Let me see, I have a screw here, one here is missing, one here is missing, or they're from the keyboard. They are from the keyboard. So again, with a Phillips head, this is a long screw. This is the same, okay. So at this moment I will need to be able to pull up the upper case, and you can see the CMOS battery is inside here. 2013. There is some time since then. So I need to unplug it like so. I will retrieve my Pokemon battery. Let's see. They're almost identical. The new one have a longer cable. I will retrieve the double-sided tape. This part from here. Okay. Let me first unplug the trackpad. Is this from here? And also the volume buttons. Oh yeah. You know what? If I have this out, I want to remove these two buttons to remove this rubber coating because it's sticky. It's an old laptop. You can see on the top of the screen here. It's part of that buttons, and at the end they will end up to look like this. They are different color, but at least they are not sticky. I have one screw here. And I'll try with some brake cleaner. It's quite strong. It's a very heavy, thick layer. It's a very, very thick layer. Yeah, it's a nice layer, but unfortunately, you can see it's peeling off. I found out that if I use the back part of this tweezer, it's easier to remove this layer. So if you ask me if this is nicer than this one, no, of course it's not, but won't be sticky. I have ended up using some WD-40 instead of this brake cleaner because I was afraid that the brake cleaner is too hard and will melt the plastic. But you see here the stripes are from the brake cleaner. This one was cleaned only with WD-40. Either so, now they are not sticky, and this here is the entire quantity of rubber removed from these two buttons. So I think now I can remove my date sticker from here. This was a good sticker. Nice. Next, I will clean the dust from the motherboard. I will put back the new battery. Oh, no bueno. You can see the new battery, the plus and the minus, they are in the mirror. It's not good. So the minus sits in the right side. You can see here, this is the plug. On the right pin here is this big copper trace that will supposed to be the minus, the ground. And the small one from the left side is the plus. So I need to find a way to switch these two pins inside of this plug. I don't know if you can see here. There is a tiny tab on every single pin. I'll try to push that tab down and pull the pin out. Because this is a miniature plug that will mimic a bigger one. Let me try to play with the old one first. Yeah, got it. So I need to pull up this plastic tab. Let's try it. So I need to pull up the plastic tab. Yes, one out. And the second one, so now I will switch it over. You can see now the pin with the tab. And they are connected back. Next step, is to push it back. Why is not? I want to degrease that part. A little bit of brake cleaner. Okay, now I put back the cover or base plate or trackpad, I don't know what is the correct name for this part. Something like that. I need to reconnect the buttons, reconnect back the trackpad. Make sure every single clip, it's clipped. Except the two long screws that I have removed. One from here and one from here. After that, the keyboard. The long screws, I think they are from here. The short ones, oops, the short ones are from inside here. Okay, next is to put back all the screws for the keyboard. And the last part is the battery. Have only two lines, 50%. Put back the pen. Checksum invalid. Enter to. I didn't have the chance to do that. Let's see, starting Windows. Enter. Yeah, you see here, this was my problem at the beginning. 1979. So now I will set up the time and date. I will do this later. Everything is working. And this was how I have replaced the CMOS battery on my second work laptop, tablet. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, stay awesome. Bye now.